Michael called me, and the mechanic, his whole building is flooded. This whole parking lot is a swimming pool. No, this is the water main. It supplies all the water to the city. It broke. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm cleaning up her basement. It's not as bad as it could be. And the garage might wash away. And I'll call you back. I gotta finish my job.
It is draining. We just walked down there. It is draining. Down that side street pretty good.
Yeah, well, it's going in the right direction. I can tell you that. Because it's not coming in as quick as people think it is. This ice is built up here.